week has started and it's the first official week of July. July 7th, 2025. Seeing he's here. 1410 coming to you from West Ladysmith. The Canadian Nationals. Bears up Maine at Milepost 128.8 with a video lined up for you. Northbound sand load rolling out, and that looked to be the 3083, I think that was. To the honors for the roll by. And we're going to find out what this is. And find out what our rear DPU is on this train. So let's check them out. As it will enter the Sion Superior Summit and head north up to Kekama, and then further on north from there. As we lean back and get them, here we go. Alright, it's definitely the S773 81 of the 7th, or is that the 775? Well, let's continue to find out. Yep, sure enough, that's definitely the S775 81 of the 7th. That one's going to head up to East Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, via CPKC. We'll send up the 102 loads over there. The total axle count of 420. And if you may notice on the unit there was the 0 as possible attachable decal on the nose side. I'm still wondering if that's actually either the 3083 or the 3063. But I'm sure I'll have that found out and have it written in the title and in the video description after this recording. I hear the rear DPU now to bring up the last of the S775 now. And it's now at Control Point West Ladysmith, ready to take the North Y. Sure enough, another Tier 4 PRMR X219-162. And it's the 3001. Also sporting the zero as possible attachable sticker. So let's hear the 3001, the square roof exhaust variant, open up the throttle. Nice pass. And that's going to do it for the S775, 81 of the 7th, and we'll do it for the 2 Tier 4s. Running in a 1x1 configuration as they'll take those sand loads up to East Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. And that's going to do it for this video on West Ladysmith near Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. You have a great afternoon. Have a great week. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. See you and haze out.